Hello friends, previously we had dealt with the electrical circuit in which only branch having resistance or current source were present. If you haven't gone through that video, the link is mentioned below in description box. Today we are solving an electrical circuit using nodal analysis where branch contain voltage source, resistance, source as well. So watch this video till end. Let's go through the circuit. Friends, you will see that in branch 1 here in the circuit we have 20-volt source in series with 2 ohm resistance, which is generally solved by converting this voltage into current source, but here we are not going to do like that. If you had gone through the video where we have explained the step to solve nodal analysis, you can solve this easily. If you haven't, the link is mentioned below. Now let's go to the procedure. First we do to solve any nodal question is we need to find number of nodes. Here in the circuit you can see that we have two nodes and one reference node. So all total we have 3 nodes in the circuit. Once the number of nodes is identified, all we need to do is allocate the direction of current. Here the current direction is allocated. We have assumed 2 outgoing and a single incoming current direction. After assuming the direction, all we need to do is we need to apply Kirchhoff's current law, which states that sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. Let's start with node 1. On node 1, as we have already seen that we have 2 outgoing and a single incoming. As incoming current is equal to 3 ampere, our equation will be 3 equals to 3 equals to, and then let's move to this branch. Friends, in this branch, as we know that current is potential difference upon resistance, so VA is at higher potential, VA minus VR, then the voltage source VA minus VR, and for the direction of this voltage source we need to see the direction of signs and the direction of current. Here our current is flowing from upwards to down and the sign is moving from plus to minus. That's why we will have minus 20 upon 2 ohm resistance. After that, for this outgoing current we have VA minus BB upon VA minus BB upon 2 ohm resistance. Similarly, we need to apply the Kirchhoff's current law on node 2 or VV node. Here, while applying, we have 2 incoming currents and a outgoing. For outgoing, we have VB minus VR upon 1 ohm resistance. So VB minus VR upon 1 ohm equals to, now VB, the current for incoming current, the current is coming from this direction, so it is at higher potential, BA minus BB upon 2. So VA minus BB upon 2 plus 4 ohm resistance plus 4 ohm resistance. Now solving these two equations, we will obtain value of BA and BB, where BA and BV. Friends, here not only the value of BA and BV, we can also obtain the current flowing in each branch. Here the current flowing in this branch be I1. If this will be the current flowing in this branch, you can see this is our I1, and we can substitute the value of BA and can obtain the current flowing in this branch. Similar with this branch and this branch. Hope You will be able to solve these types of question easily. Thank you for watching this video.